we're making our way to our first victim here.
And let me show him what.
Got an air horn here.
Hello.
Here's Kenny. And
let's do it.
We're off.
You gotta wait until like we're a little past him.
I'm recording now.
Well, that's good.
Here we go. No.
No. Come on, that was way too close.
Coming up, we're at a bus stop right now, so it may take a second or two, but
go ahead.
We're waving the guy on. He's not knowing that we can't make a left turn right now because of the bus.
He was supposed to stop too.
We're dropping him.
We're going to get him.
We're going.
Their teacher's right there.
Alright, here we go.
You gotta wait until... Alright,
here we go. Guy on a bike.
Yep, got the guy on the bike. We gotta drive around again, though.